This is an example of homepage in Canvas. So when you get to your course homepage, it will look similar. So what do you find on your course homepage? At the top, you will see your global navigation bar that is going to be consistent regardless of where you're at. Whenever you're logged into Canvas, any page, you will have access to this. Now below the black bar is the items on the course homepage for your course. This course homepage is divided into 3 sections. Regardless of where you're at within a course, you're going to be able to see over to the left your course navigation bar. So your course navigation bar can take you quickly to the homepage, which is where we're at, to the learning modules, to any announcements your teacher may have. By the way, if a teacher makes announcements, you will probably get that in your email also. A link to all of the assignments, all of the discussions, a link to your grades, pages, and a link to all of the quizzes in the course. To the right side, we call it the sidebar. This will change. Now the course navigation bar is consistent, but the sidebar changes depending on what page you're on. So if I click over to modules, notice that the all pages and the recent feedback on the sidebar, okay, well that changes and there's nothing in the modules link. If I click on assignments, what do we have on the sidebar? So we have on the sidebar group assignments by type and see my grades so far and what's upcoming and view the calendar. So the sidebar does change depending on where you're at in the course. So for the course homepage, the sidebar shows you a list of pages that you can hyperlink to, and it shows you any recent feedback that the teacher has given you. So here I have feedback to the About Me, which is going to be your first assignment in courses. Okay, so in the middle, this will change from week to week. So this is week 1 of the course, and the instructor is showing a little introduction, and there's a hyperlink to the first week's learning module. Below that are some links to get you help in the course. When you start a course, you should always start by viewing the syllabus. Now the syllabus is like a contract between the teacher and the student on what the course is going to cover. So the syllabus has teacher contact information, the list of the textbooks and any software or any other material you may need for the course, and teachers' expectations on how you can successfully complete this course, including the grading criteria. And finally, there's a course schedule so that you know what units the course will cover and how long each of those units will take. Second is the About Me posting. Now this is posted here right now because this is the first week, and this is one of the first things you're going to do. Since we don't get to meet each other face to face, we like to have you introduce yourself, maybe why are you in the course, so we get to know you a little bit better. Then there is a hard PDF copy of this manual, Getting Started manual that we're looking at right now. And then there's a frequently asked questions. So frequently asked questions are more technically related, like how do I get the software, how do I get the data files, how do I zip up a file to upload, or how do I unzip a file to upload. So technical questions that get asked frequently. We have a 911 help discussion posting. So if you have a question, maybe other people have similar questions, and maybe another student knows the answer. So it's a way for you to interact and help each other in the class when you have questions. Finally, we have this Look What I Found discussion board. So when you're in a course, you discover new things. It's a process of learning and discovering. So we love to hear what you found and post it on this board for us so I can see it or other students can see it. So that's a brief summary of the course homepage.